Hey, my name's Anna and welcome to another 15 tip video. In today's video, I'm going to give you 15 ways to make him worry about losing you. So stick around to the end of this video if you want to think of some ways to bring that attachment back. Maybe your love life is going a little bit down the drain at the moment and you just want to know if he still has that passion for you and the relationship. So stay tuned. Be less available for him. If you start doing your own thing, he will notice that all of a sudden you are no longer around, and he's probably going to be wondering, why is she so happy all the time without me? Now, this could be doing anything, going out with yourself, with your friends at the weekend, or just not answering his calls as quick. Don't answer his message straight away. If you answer straight away, it kind of shows that one, you're available, and two, you're available whenever he wants. Pamper yourself, switch up your style or improve your look. He'll start to wonder who you're trying to impress. Flirt in front of him. Now, don't go too far with this, but something very, very small, such as checking out another guy in front of him, makes him know there is always going to be competition. Stop being so clingy. If you're normally clingy and needy, your man never gets the chance to miss you. So, stop seeking his attention. He will notice it and then worry and think, maybe she's not as interested as she was before. Don't please him all the time. So your man needs to know that he is not your top priority because you are your own priority. You need to be living your life for you. If he knows that you will always do anything he says whenever he says, then he's never going to get that chance to fear losing you. Be independent. Showing him how strong and independent you are will make him look at you differently and think, wow. Be seductive. Try dressing up more around him and when you're out. He'll start to worry that you're trying to impress another man. Be yourself. This one probably sounds very silly, but by being yourself and being confident, a guy loves confident women. So if he knows that you are confident, he might think, I really don't want to lose her, and he will step his game up. Don't be his second option. Here's an example. Did he have plans with friends and then they cancelled last minute? And then he calls you and sees if you want to do something? You tell him, no, I already had plans. You should never drop whatever you're doing just to please him. Even if you're just busy repotting some houseplants, that's still something. Remember I told you to have a little bit of distance so he can miss you? Well, post fun photos with your friends online so that when he does see what you're up to when you're not around with each other, he thinks, wow, she's having fun. So don't do anything mean. Just show him that you still have fun when you're not with him. Now, this is where it really works. If he sees that you're having fun without him, he might panic and try to improve how much shared interests that you two have together. Show less interest in him and his stories. If you start showing less interest and slowly pull yourself back, he knows that he has to work for your attention. Let's say, for example, you're not a fan of football, but he tries to give you the league tables and the championship awards and everything else that you don't want to listen to. Maybe you're so used to putting up with these conversations, but from now on you should say, I'm not really that interested, or just don't listen to him. And he will understand that now he has to really step his game up, otherwise he is going to lose you if he keeps giving you boring conversations.